Good afternoon. My name is Dulal Karmakar, and I am an intern at NEAI, a part of virtual internship program. So today I will demonstrate about a project named Dashboard in a Day, and I will also show you about how we can visualize and analyze the data using Power BI tool. So before starting that and before demonstration, I will show you the query tables which contains the data. So there are some tables named date, geography, manufacturer, products, sales, right? So these are the query tables which actually contains the data. So using those data, I have created these dashboards. Okay, so in this dashboard we can see there are some visualizations used to show how we can show the data, right? Okay, now first of all I just want to start with this one. So what chart this is? This one, stacked column chart, right? So I have used this chart to show the data of a particular manufacturer. Okay, let me tell you first about the manufacturers, right? And the motive of the project. The motive of the project is to create a dashboard and show the data and the market analysis and manufacturer analysis, right? Means market wise and manufacturers wise. So as we can see, there are five manufacturers, right? But as per project requirement, we have to only show the data and visualize the data of a particular company, Van Diesel, right? So as I selected this particular manufacturer or company, Van Diesel, right? So I just want to show you the actual revenue by country, means country wise revenue of a particular manufacturer, right? So if I click on the Australia column, okay, so as I clicked on the Australia column, the data is altered in other visualization charts. So this one, revenue by country, what is the revenue country wise of Van Diesel? What are the categories, subcategories, means products, segments, and revenue? What's the revenue, percentage revenue, POI sales, and growth, right? This one is showing about the data like revenue and percentage growth by year, right? So this chart will show the data yearly wise, and it started from 2013 to 2020. So this chart will show you the data of Van Diesel from 2013 to 2020, right? So we can see that. Not only that, this one, revenue and POI sales. So what's the actual revenue and POI sales of Van Diesels? So we can see through this chart. So what is the name of this chart? That is Gauss chart, right? And the black sign here we can see, this is the target line. Okay. Also, I have used the play axis button, right? Using play axis, we can just play and like an animation, and it will show the data, the chart, and the data yearly wise from 2013 to 20, right? And after playing this button, okay, it will show you country wise, yearly wise, and category wise the changes of the particular company. in the data. Okay, now if I come to the initial state, right? If I just want to come to the initial state, for that the initial state button has been created on the dashboard, right? If I click on this initial state dashboard, so it will again come back to the initial state, right? Okay, so first of all I just want to start with this one, revenue by country. So if I just want to see the actual revenue in a particular country, then I have to click on the column, country column, right? So as we can see that I clicked on the Australia column. So I just want to see the actual revenue of Van Diesel in Australia. So it's showing that the country name and the revenue, right? And as I clicked on the Australia column, the changes in this chart actually we can see that, right? Okay, now this also, in this chart revenue and PY sales, we can see the actual target and the revenue and the PY sales. Okay, so now I just want to see the actual revenue of the USA country for the company or manufacturer Van Diesel, right? So if I click on this USA column, so it will show the revenue and the percentage growth by year for the company Van Diesel, right? We can see that. Also, I just want to show you the category, subcategory means segment or products. See, these are the products and category, right? Category, segments and products. So we can see that in the country USA, how the data and the figure changes, the revenue, percentage revenue, POI sales and the percentage growth also, right? So yes, one more thing I just want to tell you about the drill down button. So if I just want to see the state wise revenue for the particular company Van Diesel, so what I have to do, first we have to click on this Australia column, then we have to click on drill down button, then we can go deep down or next level in the hierarchy, right? So as we can see the data and the revenue state wise, right? Yeah, so now I will go back to the core level. So for that I will drill up, then I just off the drill down button. So again it came back to the core level. Okay, so these are the things. Here we can see that now we see the revenue and percentage growth by year, we see the category, segments and the products, right? And also we can see that revenue, percentage revenue, POI sales and growth. Okay, so also there are some other competitors of Van Diesels like LQ, Curus and the others companies also. So there are total 5 companies or 5 manufacturers. As per project requirement, the main company or the main manufacturer we have to see the data for is Van Diesel, and other competitors are there also. So if I want to see the actual data or the revenue country wise, revenue year wise, or category wise, then we have to click on that, right? As I clicked on that, we can see the chart, line chart, that how it is changed, the revenue and percentage growth by year. Correct? Now, if we want to see the revenue by country, then we will click on Australia column again. Once we clicked on the Australia column, it is showing what was the revenue, what's the percentage revenue, POI sales for this company, this particular company, or the manufacturer, you can say that, and the percentage growth, right? And we can also see here, this is line and clustered column chart, right? So in this chart, as we can see that revenue and percentage growth by year, it's showing here from 2013 to 20. Okay, now I will also show you how the play axis button works. So if I click on the play button, right, so it will show you the changes yearly wise. See, it is changing, and it is showing the actual data of the particular manufacturer or company which have been selected, this one, right? Okay, now if I just want to see the changes in data, or if I want to see the data, how the figure changes in different charts, right, for the particular company Van and Russell, so we have to again click on the play axis button. If I click, then it will change, it will keep changing, and it will show you the data, how was the revenue country wise, how was the revenue category and segment wise, and POI sales also, right? Yeah. So if I just want to again come back to the initial state, then we have to click on the initial state, then it will come back to the initial state. Yeah, so this is the one part, right? Now I will show you. Okay, so now I will show you about the market analysis of the uh, 5 manufacturers and the particular company also Van Erdersels, right? So as we can see that I have used uh, this card, right? Now this stacked column chart, map, line chart, and stacked column chart or scatter chart. Okay, so here I will analyze, and I will also show you the market analysis of the 5 manufacturing companies. Okay, so first I will start with this one, the line chart. In this line chart, it is showing uh, what was the revenue by year and the manufacturer actually. So as we can see that from 2014 to 2020, right? So these are the actual revenue yearly wise of 5 manufacturing companies. Okay, so as I told you before that there are 5 manufacturers, or you can say that one particular company Van Adersel and other competitors, right? And we can see that from 2014 to 2020, how was the performance or revenue yearly wise for the manufacturer, right? So this is the line chart. Okay, now I will come back to this one, card visual, right? So what is the actual market share of Van Artesel? It is showing here 47.55%, correct, for the Van Artesel. Okay, now I will come to the this one, right? So this one actually, as I told you, stack column chart. So in this chart, what we are seeing, that percentage growth by manufacturer. What is the percentage growth for each and every manufacturer? We can see that here, right? So as we can see that this is the this column is for Van Artesel, right? So if I click on this column, so it will alter the data and it will show the data here. What is the market share percentage growth wise, right? So if I click, as I clicked on this column, it is showing that the market share of Van Artesel is 100%. Okay, now uh, this one, come to this one. So this is the map, right? And here we can see the countries, the name of the countries. So if I just want to see the country wise revenue for a particular manufacturer, so we have to click on that, right? So if I click on that, we can see that the data actually changes in others charts also, right? So as we can see here, the Van Artesel is there and other competitors are also there, and this is the market share of Van Artesels. And also if we want to see the actual share of the actually market share of the Van Artesel in North America, then this is the actual data. Okay, so when I'm clicking on the countries, right, so data changes in other charts also. Okay, so I will mainly focus on Australia. So if I just click on this country, then it will show the changes yearly wise for different manufacturers, right? And also it will actually it's showing about the segment and all season, means the as I told you in manufacturer part, while I was analyzing the manufacturer part, as I told you that these are the segments, category and product wise visualization, right? So if I click on that, so we can see how the data changes, right? Yearly wise it's showing the revenue, and it's showing what was the segment, category wise revenue, and product wise also. Thank you so much.